everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I would like to show you how to crochet a square mark coaster. For this tutorial we need 3.5 mm crochet hook, scissors and some yarn. Let's start with a slip knot. Make chain of 5. And join with the first chain. Now make chain 3. This is our first double crochet. We'll now need to do 2 double crochet from the circle. Now we will need to do chain 2. It will work as a corner. Now make 3 double crochet. Again chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and last 3 double crochet. Now make chain 2. This is the last corner and join with the third chain from the first stitch. Slip stitch. This will be our first round. We will start the second round by making chain 3 in the corner. Now make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same corner. Now chain 1 and 3 double crochet into next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. Complete the round with the same process. Join with the third chain from the first stitch. Slip stitch. We start the third row again by making chain 3 in the corner. And 2 double crochet into chain 2 space. Now make chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, make 3 double crochet into chain 1 space. Again chain 1. Now we are at the corner. We need to do 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Again chain 1, make 3 double crochet into chain 1 space. Complete the third round with the same process. Now join with the third chain from the first stitch. Slip stitch. And cut the yarn. Now join the green yarn in any stitch. Make chain of 5. This will be our 1 double crochet and chain 2 for base stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in the same space. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the third stitch. Make chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Again, skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the third stitch. Make chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Complete the round with V stitch. After that, join with the first stitch, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now join the pink yarn in the corner. Make chain 3 and 4 double crochet, join them together. This will be our first tulip stitch. Chain 5, double crochet in the same stitch, join them together. Chain 3, 5 double crochet in the next V gap, join them together. Make tulip stitch in next 2 gap. After that, make 1 tulip stitch, chain 5 and 1 tulip stitch in the next corner. Complete the round with the same process. Now join with the first stitch. Slip stitch and cut the yarn. Here is our final look of square mark coaster. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.